Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your video into a cartoon video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut application, and if we want to turn our video into a cartoon video, we can apply cartoon effect. You can go to the effect menu and then choose the body effect. In this body effect, you need to choose the role category, this one, and you can simply apply this effect to turn your video into a cartoon video. Apply the cartoon face effect, okay, and click on the check mark and make the effect align with your video like this. And this is the final result. As you can see that now my video has turned into a cartoon video. That's so simple, right? Alright guys, and that's all the way to turn our video into a cartoon video using CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!